guys, I'm Sushanth of Gr10 and I'm going to do artificial intelligence concept presentation on 3 topics, and they are neural networks and its types, and real life applications using Python, and third topic is lists and tuples. So now let us go into the topic now. Fine guys, we are moving into our first topic, that is neural networks and its types. So neural networks, it is an advanced topic in AI, and it includes algorithms, programs and mathematics, and it is like a human brain and it is connected through links. So let us look into the structure of the neural. Okay guys, now we are going to discuss about the structure of neural network. So structure of neural network. So this is the diagram. It is the structure of neural network. So coming to the thing. So input, okay, can you see this x1, x2 and x3? So this is known as the input, okay, the data which we feed. So this input is given to the input nodes, okay, this is called as input nodes. And can you see the type, something, so input node, something is connected, right? So these are connected by the connective links. So input node, it is connected to the hidden nodes, okay, which is in the center of the part. So hidden nodes is also connected with the output nodes, and finally the output is given, that is y1 and y2. So it is a very simple, okay, structure of neural network, and it is easy to understand. I hope you understood this structure of neural network. So coming to types of neural network, okay. Types of neural network is nothing but it is of 2 types. One is ANN and the second one is BNN. So ANN is for artificial neural network, and BNN is known as biological neural network. In 9th standard itself we have learnt ANN and BNN. So again let us take a recap. It's fine. So we have discussed about the types of neural network, right? ANN and BNN, artificial neural network and biological neural network. So we are going to see how ANN and BNN works. Okay, first structure of ANN. Okay, it is our first. We are going to discuss about how ANN, artificial neural network, works. Okay, so ANN, it is composed of multiple nodes, okay, multiple nodes which imitate the biological neurons, and they are connected by links, and they interact with each other, okay. And the nodes, okay, they take input data, okay, the nodes take the input data and perform simple operations on the data which it takes. So the rest is passed to the other neurons. So the output at each node, okay, the output at each node is called as activation function, okay. The output at each node is known as activation function or node value, okay, activation function or node value. And each link is associated with weight. So can you see this W1, W2 and W2? So these are weight, okay. So each link is associated with weight, and ANN is capable of learning which takes place altering the weight values, okay. The main thing we have to understand is ANN are capable of learning by altering the weights value. So this is the structure of ANN, guys. I hope you understood how ANN works, and I hope you understood the structure of ANN which I have drawn. Okay guys, fine. Now we have discussed about structure of and how it functions of ANN, that is artificial neural network. And now we want to learn how function of structure of BNN, okay. So BNN, that is nothing but biological neural network, okay. So we're going to cover this topic now. I hope, can you see this diagram now? Yeah. So can you see this root things over here? So these are known as dendrites, okay. These are known as dendrites, and these, okay, it collects information from the other neuron, okay. it collects the information, and it takes to the cell body, and it passes through the axon. Okay, this is the axon over here, and and finally it gives to out from that particular neuron, and it sends next, okay, to the next neuron by synapse. Okay, and it is very easy to learn this, because we have already learned this about this neuron structures in biology before itself, so it will be easy to understand this particular topic. And we have learned that ANN, okay, ANN, it imitates the biological neurons of the human brain. So this is the type of neural network, guys. I hope you understood the functions and structures of ANN and BNN, and I hope it will be helpful for you to learn this topic. Second topic, that is real life applications using Python. So Python we are learning last year also, we are learning this year also, and we know to program it somewhat. And in higher classes we will learn, if you take computer science group, we will learn more about Python and other programming languages. So now in this topic we are going to discuss where Python is very helpful, applications, okay, in real life, where it is very helpful. That's only we are going to learn in this topic. Fine. So Python is very, very supportive in building, okay, such type of big platforms. For example, YouTube, BitTorrents, and Google, and Dropbox, and etc. So many platforms are now it is is accessing in this real life, and it is very helpful for us. So Python. Coming to Python applications, where it is useful and helpful in our real life, right? Fine. I would not like to waste our time, because we have the third topic also, list and tuples. So as we have no time, we have little time, we will just discuss top 10 applications, okay, where Python is very, very useful and it is supportive. So the first one is web development. Okay, it is the first one, and second one is gaming. It is useful in gaming, and it is useful in machine learning and artificial intelligence. And fourth one, it is helpful in data science and data visualization. And fifth one, it is for business applications, it is helpful. And seventh one is, it is helpful in audio and video applications, it is very helpful. And eighth one is, it is helpful in desktop GUI, it is very helpful. And for ninth one is computer aided applications, it is very helpful. And at last, 10th one is embedded applications. So these are the top 10 applications where Python is very, very useful and supportive in building such type of platforms. And these are the top 10 applications of Python which we want to know. Okay, I hope you understood this topic, guys. So we are moving in the third topic, that is list and tuples. So list and tuples, I will just differentiate between each of them, and I'll show you example with pictures, okay. And yeah, first let's learn about list. So list, we have already learned in our 9th standard, and now we are learning in the 10th grade also. So list are some of the values, or the group of comma values which is written inside a square brackets. And here square brackets are very, very important for the programming in the list. And the list is changeable, okay. For example, once if we have done something mistake or something else, so when we want to change that, we can change in the list. So it is changeable, okay. And if the content, okay, if the content is not fixed, and if we keep on changing, then surely we can go for list, because list is changeable. But whereas list cannot be used as keys for dictionaries, because keys means it should be hashable and unchangeable. But here list is changeable, so we cannot use as keys for dictionaries. Inside this, no values is there, but we are just giving a square bracket and we are just closing it. So this is called as empty list, or by this also we can perform a program. Next is list of integers, nothing but my list. Okay, inside that square brackets we have integer value. What is integers? Numbers, right? So we are using numbers 1 2 3, and inside that we are just closing the square bracket. So this is known as list of integers. And next one is list with mixed data type. So mixed data type is nothing but we are using an integer value here, and we are using a text value here, and we are using a decimal value. Okay, so this is called as a mixed data type. Okay, in a square bracket we are using these type of mixed data, so it is called as mixed list with mixed data types. So next one is, this is an out of topic, but I'm just saying you, nested list. Okay, we might have not heard this name, actually we are not learning it, but it's okay, I'm just saying you. Nested list is nothing but we are using many square brackets inside a square bracket. So that is same like mixed data. Here we are just separating out. Okay, for mouse, okay, is an text, and here we are using another square bracket. Can you see that? For integers we are using separate square bracket, and again comma, and we are using another square bracket for an variable. So I hope you understood what is a list, and these are the outputs, okay, for the so we learned about list. So now we are going to learn about tuple. So tuple is nothing but it is same. Okay, it is the same sequence like list only, and there in list they use square brackets, whereas in tuple we use parenthesis. And list, it is changeable. Okay, if you make any errors, it is changeable, whereas tuple, it cannot be changed. That is the common thing you have to know there. And next is in list, it is very easy, or so what to say, we can change when error occurs, and but in the tuple it is very hard, because it is unchangeable. Okay, and if you want to make tuple, it is very easy. Okay, it is just nothing but we use comma separated values in tuple. So that's guys. So this is the last topic we are covering. So before ending this session, I would like to show that same examples which I showed in list. I would like to show for tuple. We are going to finish our concept presentation by seeing this alone. So as I showed in the before picture, different types of list I showed you. So same like that, I am going to show different type of tuples. So nothing to worry about, and nothing to confuse. Okay, so same as what is list. Okay, see this. We have seen empty list, list of integers, list of mixed data, and nested list. So same like that. Here also empty tuple, tuple having integers, tuple with mixed data types, and nested tuple. So same as the list only, but here the common difference is we are using parenthesis, whereas for tuple we are just using square brackets. So this is a common thing we have to know for this kind of things. So I hope you understood this list and tuples, and I hope it is easy to understand. So I thank my school management and my parents and my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to do this AI concept presentation. So once again I thank for watching my concept presentation for AI.